few hints about storing grain from the Chief Grain Protector. It's wintertime, the air's cold, you need to be running air. What a lot of people forget about is when they run the air, they don't push the front all the way through the grain. If you really gonna do the right kind of job, you got to push that front from the bottom all the way through the top of the grain. And it takes time to do this. So make sure that you run your fan long enough to get that front pushed all the way through. Otherwise, you're going to end up maybe with a front 3/4 of the way through with a lot of moisture in it, and this is going to cause problems for you.